Hello everyone, welcome back to Bindas Botany. Today I am going to discuss the most important MCQ on photosynthesis, that is light reaction of photosynthesis. This MCQ will help those who are prepared for TGT Biology, PGT Biology, SSB Lecturer, SSB PGT, OPSC PGT, NEET Biology, Common PG Entrance Test and CUET and also other competitive examination. Let's begin. Question number 1. Photosynthesis is option A catabolic process, option B anabolic process, option C amphibolic process, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B anabolic process. The next question number 2. End product of photosynthesis are option A oxygen and hexose sugar, option B oxygen and fat, option C carbon dioxide and carbohydrate, option D oxygen and protein. The correct answer is option A oxygen and hexose sugar. The next question number 3. Which of the following is not required for photosynthesis? Option A carbon dioxide and water, option B light, option C green plant, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option D none of the above. All are required. The next question number 4. During photosynthesis, oxygen is evolved from option A carbohydrate, option B protein, option C sunlight, option D water. Correct answer is option D water. This is very important MCQ. The next question number 5. Photosynthesis is option A exothermic process, option B endothermic process, option C amphibolic process, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option B endothermic process. The next question number 6. Photosynthesis is option A oxidation process, option B reduction process, option C redox process, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C redox process. That is oxidation and reduction both occur. In light reaction, oxidation occur. In dark reaction, reduction occur. In light reaction, splitting of water is an oxidation process, and in dark reaction, carbon dioxide fixation is a reduction process. The next question number 7. The process of photosynthesis is option A reductive, exergonic and catabolic, option B reductive, endergonic and catabolic, option C reductive, endergonic and anabolic, option C reductive, exergonic and anabolic. Correct answer is option C reductive, endergonic and anabolic. The next question number 8. Most of the photosynthesis in world is carried out by option A marine algae, option B photosynthetic bacteria, option C forest, option D grassland. Correct answer is option A marine algae. The next question number 9. In photosynthesis, light energy is converted into option A heat energy, option B carbon dioxide and hexose sugar, option C chemical energy, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C chemical energy. The next question number 10. Light reaction is option A oxidation reaction, option B reduction reaction, option C redox reaction, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A oxidation reaction. Light reaction is oxidation reaction and dark reaction is a reduction reaction. The next question number 11. Light reaction of photosynthesis is also called option A Calvin cycle, option B Hill reaction, option C photochemical phase, option D both B and C. The correct answer is option D both B and C. Light reaction of photosynthesis is also called Hill reaction and photochemical phase. The next question number 12. Raw material required for light reaction are option A ADP and water, option B ADP, water and NADP, option C ADP and NADPH2, option D ATP and NADP. Correct answer is option B ADP, water and NADP. Then next question number 13. Light reaction include option A light absorption and water splitting, option B oxygen release, option C formation of ATP and NADPH, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option D all of the above. The next question number 14. In photosynthesis, light reaction include option A cycline photophosphorylation, option B non-cyclic photophosphorylation, option C both A and B, option D none of these. The correct answer is option C, both and B. Light reaction include both cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation. The next question of 15. The first step in photosynthesis is the option A, formation of NADPH2, option B, formation of ATP, option C, excitation of an electron of chlorophyll by a photon of light, option D, photolysis of water, option E, none of the above or more than one of the above. The correct answer is option C, excitation of an electron of chlorophyll by a photon of light. The next question number 16. Reaction center of pigment system 1 is option A P680, option B P690, option C P700, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option C P700. The next question number 17. Reaction center of pigment system 2 is option A P680, option B P690, option C P700, option D P720. The correct answer is option A P680. The next question number 18. Light is necessary in the process of photosynthesis to option A, breakdown of carbon dioxide, option B, breakdown of oxygen, option C, activation of chlorophyll, option D, combine carbon dioxide and water. The correct answer is option C, activation of chlorophyll. The next question number 19. Light harvesting complex in two photosystem consist of option A, reaction center 1 and 2, option B, antenna pigment associated with protein, option C, cytochrome B6F complex, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, antenna pigment associated with proteins. The next question number 20. Core complex in a two photosystem consist of option A, reaction center 1 and 2 respectively, option B, reaction center and electron donor, option C, reaction center, electron donor and electron acceptor, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, reaction center, electron donor and electron acceptor. The next question number 21. Risk center is option A, cytochrome B6F complex, option B, core complex 1, option C, core complex 2, option D, none of the above. Correct answer is option A, cytochrome B6F complex. The next question number 22. ATP syntheses are found in thylakoid membrane at those regions which are in direct contact with option A, lumen of thylakoids, option B, stroma of chloroplast, option C, other thylakoid membranes, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option B, stroma of chloroplast. The next question number 23. Which of the following is not a component of electron transport chain in chloroplast? Option A, plastoquinone, option B, ubiquinone, option C, plastocyanin, option D, cytochrome B6F complex. Correct answer is option E, ubiquinone. The next question number 24. The headpiece of ATP synthesis CF1 in thylakoids consists of how many different polypeptides? Option A 2, option B 3, option C 4, option D 5. Correct answer is option A 5. 5. These are typically designated as alpha, beta, gamma, delta and eta. The next question number 25. The process of photosynthesis is a complicated option A, oxidation reduction process, option B, carboxylation process, option C, reductive process, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, oxidation reduction process. The next question number 26. In photosynthesis, ultimate source of electron is option A, chlorophyll A, option B, water, option C, antenna pigment, option D, phyophytin. The correct answer is option B, water. The next question number 27. In photosynthesis, assimilatory power ATP and NADPH2 is generated during option A, dark reaction, option B, light reaction, option C, photolysis of water, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, light reaction. The next question number 28. Photolysis of water in photosynthesis requires the presence of option A, manganese ion, option B, magnesium ion, option C, manganese and chlorine ion, option D, potassium and chlorine ion. Correct answer is option C, manganese chlorine ion, and also calcium ion. The next question number 29. Water oxidizing clock model of photolysis of water was given by option A. Wesselcock et al. Option B. Hill. Option C. Emerson. Option D. None of the above. So correct answer is option A. Wesselcock et al. The next question number 30. Which of the following scientist has contributed a lot in our understanding of electron transport system and photophosphorylation in chloroplast? Option A. Hill. Option B. Wesselcock et al. Option C. Arnon. Option D. Van Nel. The correct answer is option C. Arnon. The next question number 31. During non-cyclic electron transport, photophosphorylation occur at option A 2 places, option B 1 place, option C 3 place, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B 1 place. Means ATP formation occur at 1 place. The next question number 32. Flow of electron from donor to acceptor molecule in electron transport chain occur along option A decreasing redox potential value, option B increasing redox potential value, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B increasing redox potential value. The next question number 33. Thyroxine is a option A non-hemi iron protein, option B hemi iron protein, option C copper containing protein, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option A non-hemi iron protein. The next question number 34. Non-cyclic electron transport and oxygen evolution are inhibited by option A 2,4-dinitrophenol, option B atracyclic acid, option C bencardic acid, option D CMU and DCMU. The correct answer is option D CMU and DCMU. The next question number 35. Which of the following does not form one electron redox system? Option A P 680, option B plastocyanin, option C plastoquinone, option D cytochrome. The correct answer is option C plastoquinone. The next question number 36. One non-cyclic electron transport in photosynthesis is also known by the name of option A Q scheme, option B Z scheme, option C S scheme, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B Z scheme. Non-cyclic electron transport is also known as Z scheme. The next question number 37. During photophosphorylation, the proton electrochemical gradient across the thylakoid membrane is from option A inside, that is lumen of thylakoid, to outside stroma, option B outside, that is stroma to inside lumen of thylakoid, option C lumen of one thylakoid to lumen of another thylakoid, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option A inside to outside, that is lumen of thylakoid to stroma. The next question number 38. Which of the following does not occur in cyclic electron transport and photophosphorylation? Option A photolysis of water, option B oxygen evolution, option C formation of reduced NADPH, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option D all of the above. The next question number 39. Pyridoxine is a constituent of option A PS1, option B PS2, option C Hill reaction, option D P680. The correct answer is option A PS1, that is photosystem 1. The next question number 40. Pyridoxine is option A polynucleotide with iron and sulfur, option B chlorophyll without Mg, option C a polypeptide with iron and sulfur, option D a copper contained protein. The correct answer is option C a polypeptide with iron and sulfur. The next question number 41. Pyridoxine is option A phenol, option B protein, option C fat, option D carbohydrate. The correct answer is option B protein. The next question number 42. Which one is a component of pyridoxine? Option A zinc, option B manganese, option C copper, option D iron. The correct answer is option D iron. The next question number 43. From excited P680, the primary electron acceptor in PS2 is option A quinone, option B pheophytin, option C cytochrome B6F complex, Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option B, phyophytin. The next question number 44. The model mechanism to explain flow of proton and electron through cytochrome B6F complex is known as option A, Q cycle, option B, Calvin cycle, option C, redox cycle, option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, Q cycle. The next question number 45. Which of the following Nobel literature is not credited with a fast successful crystallization and X-ray diffraction of bacterial photosynthesis reaction center? Option A, J. Deysenhofer. Option B, R. Hoover. Option C, H. Michael. Option D, Melvin Calvin. The correct answer is option D, Melvin Calvin. The next question number 46. The creation of a proton gradient across the thylakoid membrane is a result of option A, decrease in proton number in stroma, option B, decrease in pH in the lumen, option C, accumulation of proton in the lumen, option D, all of the above. Correct answer is option D, all of the above. The next question number 47. In the hypothesis given by Peter Michael, where will we observe the accumulation of hydrogen ion in the cell? Option A, mitochondrial matrix. Option B, lumen of thylakoid. Option C, stroma. Option D, on the thylakoid membrane. The correct answer is option B, lumen of thylakoid. The next question number 48. Chemiosmotic hypothesis was proposed by option A, Melvin Calvin. Option B, Hatchenslack. Option C, Peter Michael. Option D, Daniel Arnold. Correct answer is option C, Peter Michael. The next question number 49. Chemiosmotic hypothesis given by Peter Michael proposes the mechanism of option A, synthesis of ATP, option B, synthesis of FADH2, option C, synthesis of NADH, option D, synthesis of NADPH. Correct answer is option A, synthesis of ATP. The next question number 50. ATP synthesis proposed by Peter Michael is option A, phosphorylation, option B, photophosphorylation, option C, oxidative photophosphorylation, option D, chemiosmotic synthesis. The correct answer is option D, chemiosmotic synthesis. The next question number 51. The chemiosmotic hypothesis suggests that the ATP are produced on the inner membrane of mitochondria due to option A, F1 particle present between the inner and outer membrane of mitochondria. Option B, involvement of oxygen as the electron receptor. Option C, creation of a proton electrochemical gradient across the inner membrane of mitochondria. Option D, enzymes present in the mitochondrial matrix. The correct answer is option C, creation of a proton electrochemical gradient across the inner membrane of mitochondria. The next question number 52. Which of the following process does not contribute in the formation of proton gradient across the thylakoid membrane? Option A, photolysis of water towards lumen. Option B, transfer of hydrogen ion from stroma to lumen. Option C, movement of hydrogen ion from lumen to stroma through CF of ATP synthesis. Option D, reduction of NADP towards the stroma. The correct answer is option C, movement of hydrogen ion from lumen to stroma through CF of ATP synthesis. The next question number 53. Cytochrome B6 and cytochrome F occur in option A, ribosome, option B, mitochondria, option C, chloroplast, option D, lysosome. Correct answer is option C, chloroplast. The next question number 54. Synthesis of ATP or oxidative phosphorylation is takes place in option A, perimitochondrial space, option B, F1 particle or oxygen, option C, ribosome, option D, outer membrane of mitochondria. Correct answer is option B, F1 particle or oxygen. The next question number 55. Oxidative phosphorylation is option A, formation of ATP by transfer of a phosphate group from a substrate to ADP. Option B, oxidation of phosphate group in ATP. Option C, addition of phosphate group to ATP. Option D, formation of ATP by energy released from electron removed during substrate oxidation. The correct answer is option D, formation of ATP by energy released from electrons removed during substrate oxidation. The next question number 56. Chemiosmotic hypothesis is based on option A, membrane potential, option B, proton gradient, option C, accumulation of potassium ion, Option D, accumulation of sodium ion. Correct answer is option B, proton gradient. The next question number 57. In cyclic photophosphorylation, which one of the following is formed? Option A, NADP and ATP. Option B, ATP only. Option C, NADH2 and O2. Option D, NADH2, ATP and oxygen. Correct answer is option B, ATP only. In cyclic photophosphorylation, only ATP are formed. During the transfer of electron between pyridoxine to cytochrome B6 and another from cytochrome B6 to cytochrome F. The next question number 58. In non-cyclic photophosphorylation, option A, ATP is synthesized only. Option B, last electron acceptor is pyridoxine. Option C, NADP reductase activity requires H plus from stroma. Option D, there is involvement of PS1 only. The correct answer is option C, NADP reductase activity requires hydrogen ion from stroma. The next question number 59. Cyclic photophosphorylation involves option A, PS1, option B, PS2, option C, PS1 and PS2, both, option D, none of these. Correct answer is option A, PS1. The next question number 60. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation involves option A, PS1 only, option B, PS2 only, option C, stroma matrix, option D, both A and B. The correct answer is option D, both A and B. In non-cyclic photophosphorylation, both pigment system, that is PS2 and PS1, both involved. And in non-cyclic photophosphorylation, both ATP and NADPH2 are formed. The next question number 61. During non-cyclic photophosphorylation, in which of the following 4 electron produced through photolysis will enter to option A, PS2, option B, plastocyanin, option C, plastoquinone, option D, PS1. Correct answer is option A, PS2. During non-cyclic photophosphorylation, photolysis of water occur. The photolysis of water generate 4 electron. These electrons are enter into the PS2. The next question number 62. Which one is involved in Z scheme of photosynthesis? Option A, PS1, option B, PS2, option C, electron carrier, option D, all of these. Correct answer is option D, all of these. The next question, question number 63. In non-cyclic photophosphorylation, PS1 is reduced by option A, electron from PS2, option B, electron from pyridoxine, option C, hydrogen from water, option D, hydrogen from PS2. Correct answer is option A, electron from PS2. Or in non-cyclic photophosphorylation, PS1 is reduced by option A, electron transferred by plastocyanin, option B, electron released from PS2, option C, hydrogen from PS2, option D, hydrogen transfer from water. The correct answer is option A, electron transfer by plastocyanin. If plastocyanin is available, then choose the answer electron transfer by plastocyanin. The next question number 64. Flow of electron in non-cyclic photophosphorylation is option A, from PS1 to PS2, option B, bidirectional, option C, unidirectional, option D, both B and C. Correct answer is option C, unidirectional. The next question number 65. Cyclic photophosphorylation operator observing light of option A, more than 680 nm wavelength, option B, less than 680 nm wavelength, option C, less than 660 nm wavelength, option D, wavelength between 660 to 680 nm wavelength. The correct answer is option A, more than 680 nm wavelength, that is 700 nm. The next question number 66. NADPH2 is generated in non-cyclic photophosphorylation through option A, glycolysis, option B, photosystem 1, option C, photosystem 2, option D, anaerobic respiration. The correct answer is option B, photosystem 1. The next question number 67. The fast electron acceptor in photosystem 1 of cyclic photophosphorylation is option A, cytochrome, option B, plastocyanin, option C, pyridoxine, option D, plastoquinone. The correct answer is option C, pyridoxine. According to modern research, fast electron is a FRS, that is pyridoxine reducing substance, which is a iron sulfur coating protein. Earlier, pyridoxine was considered as the fast electron acceptor, but now pyridoxine reducing substance is the fast electron acceptor. The next question number 68. NADPH is generated through option A anaerobic respiration, option B cyclic photophosphorylation, option C non-cyclic photophosphorylation, option D glycolysis. Correct answer is option C non-cyclic photophosphorylation. The next question number 69. Emerson's enhancement effect and red drop have been instrumental in the discovery of option A photophosphorylation and non-cyclic electron transport, option B two photosystem operating simultaneously, option C photophosphorylation and cyclic electron transport, option D oxidative phosphorylation. The correct answer is option B two photosystem operating simultaneously. The next question number 70. Red drop is option A drop in oxygen yield, option B drop in quantum yield, option C drop in organic yield, option D drop in photosynthetic yield. The correct answer is option D drop in photosynthetic yield. The next question number 71. Experiment for emission enhancement and red drop was conducted on option A Chlamydomonas, option B Polycyphonia, option C Chlorella, option D Dictyota. The correct answer is option C Chlorella, which is a green algae, unicellular green algae. Which pigment system is inactivated in red drop? Option A PS1 and PS2, option B PS1, option C PS2, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C PS2. The next question number 72. Red drop occur due to option A low carbon dioxide in atmosphere, option B high carbon dioxide in atmosphere, option C supply of light intensity below 680 nm, option D supply of monochromatic light of 700 nm. The correct answer is option D supply of monochromatic light of 700 nm. The next question number 73. Emerson's enhancement effect and red drop have been instrumental in the discovery of option A oxidative phosphorylation, option B photophosphorylation and non-cyclic electron transport, option C two photosystem operating simultaneously, option D photophosphorylation and cyclic electron transport. Correct answer is option C two photosystem operating simultaneously. The next question number 74. Emerson effect is related to option A decrease in photosynthesis in presence of high light intensity, option B decrease in photosynthesis when light of two different wavelengths are provided together, option C increase in photosynthesis in presence of monochromatic light, option D increase in photosynthesis when light of two different wavelengths are provided together. The correct answer is option D increase in photosynthesis when light of two different wavelengths are provided together. The next question number 75. Emerson effect is connected with option A photosynthesis, option B respiration, option C transpiration, option D absorption of water. Correct answer is option A photosynthesis. The next question number 76. Who invented the enhancement effect on photosynthesis? Option A Arnon, option B Emerson, option C Calvin, option D Rubin. The correct answer is option B Emerson. The next question number 77. Which one of the following statement about the event of non-cyclic photophosphorylation is not correct? Option A photolysis of water takes place, option B only one photosystem participates, option C ATP and NADPH2 are produced, option D oxygen is released. The correct answer is option B only one photosystem participates, which is incorrect. Both photosystem 1 and photosystem 2 are participate. The next question number 78. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation differ from cyclic photophosphorylation. Option A as it requires light energy, option B in synthesis of ATP, option C as it requires only PS1, option D as it involves photolysis of water. The correct answer is option D as it involves photolysis of water. The next question number 79. The fast electron acceptor in non-cyclic electron transfer is option A cytochrome B6F, option B plastocyanin, option C NADP, option D plastoquinone. The correct answer is option D plastoquinone, which is very important. The next question number 80. A possible location of the cyclic photophosphorylation is Option A, grana. Option B, stroma. Option C, stroma lamina. Option D, thylakoid. The correct answer is option C, stroma lamina. That is non-appressed part. The next question number 81. First electron acceptor of PS1 is option A, pheophytin. Option B, plastoquinone. Option C, cytochrome B. Option D, iron sulfur protein. The correct answer is option D, iron sulfur protein. The next question number 82. The final acceptor of electron during non-cyclic electron pathway is option A, PS1. Option B, ATP. Option C, PS2. Option D, NADP. The correct answer is option D, NADP. The next question number 83. Which of the following is a hydrogen carrier in thylakoid membrane? Option A, ferredoxin. Option B, iron sulfur protein. Option C, plastocyanin. Option D, plastoquinone. The correct answer is option D, plastoquinone. Plastoquinone acts as a hydrogen carrier during photosynthesis. The next question number 84. In the Z scheme of electron transport, PS2 and PS1 are connected by option A, NADPS, option B, ATP, option C, photons, option D, electron transport chain. The correct answer is option D, electron transport chain. The next question number 85. During Z scheme, electron excited by absorption of light, if PS1 are transferred to the primary receptor and therefore must be replaced, the replacement come directly from option A, NADP, option B, ATP, option C, PS2, option D, water. The correct answer is option C, PS2. The next question number 86. In Z scheme, Z shape is formed when option A, carrier are placed uphill, option B, carrier are placed downhill, option C, carrier are placed in sequence on a redox potential scale, option D, carriers are placed in increasing order of energy. The correct answer is option C, carriers are placed in sequence on a redox potential scale. The next question number 87. Z scheme in thylakoid membrane is concerned with option A, reduction of NAD+, option B, reduction of carbon dioxide, option C, electron transfer, option D, all of this. The correct answer is option C, electron transfer. The next question number 88. Which of the following is not an electron transforming molecule? Option A, coenzyme Q, option B, iron sulfur protein, option C, ATP, option D, NAD. The correct answer is option C, ATP. The next question number 89. Non-cyclic photophosphorylation result in production of option A, ADP, option B, ATP, option C, NADPH, option D, ATP and NADPH. Correct answer is option D, ATP and NADPH. In cyclic photophosphorylation, only ATP are formed, but in case of non-cyclic photophosphorylation, both ATP and NADPH are formed. The next question number 90. How many cycles of cyclic and non-cyclic photophosphorylation would be required in order to generate enough energy for the production of one glucose molecule? Option A, 10 cyclic and 4 non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Option B, 6 cyclic and 6 non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Option C, 2 cyclic and 4 non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Option D, 8 cyclic and 1 non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Correct answer is option B, 6 cyclic and 6 non-cyclic photophosphorylation. One cyclic photophosphorylation produces 2 ATPs and one non-cyclic photophosphorylation produces 1 ATP and 2 NADPH. 6 cyclic photophosphorylation produces 12 ATP and 6 non-cyclic photophosphorylation produces 6 ATP and 12 NADPH. To produce one molecule of glucose by the Kelvin cycle, we require 18 ATP and 12 NADPH. Thus, 6 cyclic and 6 non-cyclic photophosphorylation will occur. The next question number 91. Choose the end product of non-cyclic photophosphorylation. Option A, ATP, NADPH, oxygen. Option B, ATP only. Option C, ATP and NADH. Option D, ADP, NADH and water. The correct answer is option A, ATP, NADH and oxygen. The next question number 92. The proton gradient may be formed in photosynthesis due to option A, splitting of water, option B, reduction of NAD+, option C, both and B, option D, none of these. The correct answer is option C, both and B. The next question number 93. In photosynthesis, light independent reaction takes place at option A, thylakoid of lumen, option B, photosystem 1, option C, photosystem 3, option D, stromal matrix. The correct answer is option D, stromal matrix. Light independent reaction means dark reaction is occur in stroma matrix and light reaction occur in grana. The next question number 94. In photosynthesis, energy from light reaction to dark reaction is transformed in the form of option A, ADP, option B, ATP, option C, RUDP, option D, chlorophyll. The correct answer is option B, ATP. The next question number 95. During photosynthesis, the site of light reaction is option A, stroma of the chloroplast, option B, thylakoid of the chloroplast, option C, double circular DNA of the chloroplast, option D, both and B. The correct answer is option B, thylakoid of the chloroplast or grana. The next question number 96. In photosynthesis, light energy is utilized in option A, converting ATP into ADP, option B, changing carbon dioxide into carbohydrate, option C, converting ADP into ATP, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option C, converting ADP into ATP. The next question number 97. Who stated that in photosynthesis, light energy is converted into chemical energy? Option A, R. Mayer, option B, Willstatter and Stahl, option C, Arnon, option D, Kelvin. The correct answer is option A, R. Mayer. The next question number 98. The site for light reaction is option A, grana, option B, stroma, option C, endoplasmic reticulum, option D, cytoplasm. The correct answer is option A, grana. The next question number 99. Q10 of light reaction is option A, temperature coefficient, option B, water coefficient, option C, respiratory coefficient, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option A, temperature coefficient. The next question number 100. The product of light reaction in green algae is option A, ATP, NADPH2, option B, NAD plus, option C, NADH, NADP, option D, ATP and NADH. The correct answer is option A, ATP, NADH, NADPH plus H plus. The next question number 101. ATP synthesis during light reaction is option A, oxidative phosphorylation, option B, photolysis, option C, photophosphorylation, option D, phosphorylation. Correct answer is option C, photophosphorylation. The next question number 102. Reducing power generated during light reaction is used during the formation of option A, 3-phosphoglyceraldehyde from RUBP, option B, sucrose from triose phosphate, option C, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate from 3-phosphoglycerate, option D, RUBP from triose phosphate. Correct answer is option C, glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate from 3-phosphoglycerate. The next question number 103. ATP synthesis in cell require option A, hydrogen plus gradient across the membrane, option B, potassium gradient across the membrane, option C, phosphate gradient across the membrane, option D, calcium gradient across the membrane. Correct answer is option A, hydrogen gradient across the membrane. The next question number 104. Light reaction of photosynthesis is also called option A, Calvin cycle, option B, Hill reaction, option C, TCA cycle, option D, all of the above. The correct answer is option B, Hill reaction. The next question number 105. During light reaction of photosynthesis, the electron lost by pigment system 2 are compensated by option A, carbon dioxide, option B, water, option C, oxygen, option D, ATP. Correct answer is option B, water. The next question number 106. The first step in the light reaction of photosynthesis is option A, formation of ATP, option B, ionization of water, option C, attachment of carbon dioxide to a pentose sugar, option D, excitement of electron of chlorophyll by a photon of light. Correct answer is option D, excitement of electron of chlorophyll by a photon of light. The next question number 107. In the two light reaction of photosynthesis, option A, PS1 produce strong oxidant while PS2 a strong reductant. Option B, PS1 produce strong reductant NADPH while PS2 a strong oxidant. Option C, PS1 emit electron for PS2. Option D, PS1 produce ATP which is not formed by PS2. Correct answer is option B. PS1 produce strong reductant NADPH while PS2 is a strong oxidant. The next question number 108. Which is related to light reaction of photosynthesis? Option A, in PS2 light reaction center is P700. Option B, in PS1 light reaction center is P680. Option C, photolysis is associated with PS1. Option D, PS1 and PS2 are associated with Z scheme. The correct answer is option D. Both PS1 and PS2 are associated in a Z scheme or non-cyclic photophosphorylation. The next question number 109. Reducing power, which is transferred from light reaction of photosynthesis to the dark reaction is option A ATP, option B NADPH, option C NADH, option D FADH2. The correct answer is option B NADPH. The next question number 110. Which one is directly involved in light reaction of photosynthesis? Option A chlorophyll A, option B chlorophyll B, option C carotenoid, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option A chlorophyll A. The next question number 111. How many water molecules are needed to produce one molecule of glucose during photosynthesis? Option A 6, option B 12, option C 18, option D 4. The correct answer is option B 12. The next question number 112. The total number of electrons that take part in forming bond in oxygen is option A 2, option B 4, option C 6, option D 8. Correct answer is option B 4. The next question number 113. Photosynthesis is considered as an oxidation reaction because option A carbon dioxide is oxidized, option B water is oxidized, option C oxygen is released, option D CH2O is oxidized. The correct answer is option B water is oxidized. Next question number 114. During light phase of photosynthesis, dash is oxidized and dash is reduced. Option A, water and NADP. Option B, NADPH2, carbon dioxide. Option C, carbon dioxide, water. Option D, carbon dioxide, NADPH2. The correct answer is option A, water, NADP. The next question number 115. Who was the first to study the influence of light during photosynthesis? Option A, Van Neel. Option B, Blackman. Option C, Warburg. Option D, John Ignius. Correct answer is option D, John Ignius. The next question number 116. In photosynthesis, oxygen is liberated during option A, hydrolysis of carbohydrate, option B, breakdown of protein, option C, reduction of carbon dioxide, option D, hydrolysis of water. The correct answer is option D, hydrolysis of water. The next question number 117. Splitting of water is associated with option A, photosystem 1, option B, lumen of thylakoid, option C, both photosystem 1 and 2, option D, inner surface of thylakoid membrane. The correct answer is option D, inner surface of thylakoid membrane. The next question number 118. Photolysis of water is associated with option A, PS1, option B, PS2, option C, stroma lamella, option D, stroma chloroplast. The correct answer is option B, PS2. The next question number 119. Photolysis of water result in the release of option A, electron, proton and oxygen, option B, electron and proton, option C, proton and oxygen, option D, electron and oxygen. The correct answer is option A, electron, proton and oxygen. The next question number 119. Which one of the following pair of element is involved in the photolysis of water during light reaction of photosynthesis? Option A, manganese and chlorine. Option B, manganese and potassium. Option C, magnesium and molybdenum. Option D, magnesium and chlorine. Correct answer is option A, manganese and chlorine. The next question number 120. Photolysis of each water molecule in light reaction will yield option A 4 electron and 4 proton, option B 2 electron and 2 proton, option C 2 electron and 4 proton, option D 4 electron and 2 proton. The correct answer is option B 2 electron and 2 proton. When a water molecule split gives 2 hydrogen atom plus 2 electron and half oxygen molecule. The next question number 121. A photosynthetic organism which does not release oxygen is option A blue-green algae, option B green algae, option C green sulfur bacterium, option D lichen. The correct answer is option C green sulfur bacterium. The next question number 122. Plastocyanin is a protein containing option A molybdenum, option B zinc, option C iron, option D copper. The correct answer is option D copper. The next question number 123. Which of the following is a copper containing protein acting as a mobile electron carrier? Option A plastocyanin, option B plastoquinone, option C pheophytin, option D cytochrome. The correct answer is option A plastocyanin. The next question number 124. Pheophytin resemble chlorophyll except that it lacks dash. Option A iron, option B magnesium, option C pyrrole, option D nitrogen. The correct answer is option B magnesium. The next question number 125. How many molecules of water should be photolyzed to form a NADPH2 molecule? Option A 4, option B 2, option C 6, option D 1. Correct answer is option B 2. The next question number 126. What is the process that creates proton gradient across the thylakoid membrane? Option A. Splitting of water molecule on inner side of membrane towards lumen. Option B. Hydrogen carrier transport H plus ion from stoma to lumen. Option C. NADH reductase remove hydrogen ion from stoma for reduction of NADP plus. Option D. All of the above process. The correct answer is option D. All of the process. The next question number 127. In light reaction of photosynthesis, chlorophyll is subjected to option A destruction, option B permanent reduction, option C oxidation and reduction, option D neutralization. The correct answer is option C oxidation and reduction. When chlorophyll accepts electron, it is reduced, and when chlorophyll accepts release electron, it is oxidized. The next question number 128. Which of the following is the non-polar part of chlorophyll? Option A phytol, option B porphyrin, option C pyrrole, option D none of the above. Correct answer is option A phytol. The next question number 129. Which of the following product of photosynthesis is produced first? Option A glucose, option B oxygen, option C both A and B, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B oxygen. The next question number 130. Which of the chlorophyll type eject the electron during photophosphorylation? Option A chlorophyll B, option B chlorophyll A, option C chlorophyll A and B, option D xanthophyll. The correct answer is option B chlorophyll A. The next question number 131. NADP is converted to NADPH2 in option A photosystem 1, option B non-cyclic photophosphorylation, option C Calvin cycle, option D photosystem 2. The correct answer is option B non-cyclic photophosphorylation. The next question number 132. When a cell converts light energy to chemical energy, which of the following reaction would take place? Option A. ADP plus inorganic phosphate equal to ATP. Option B. ATP minus inorganic phosphate is equal to ADP. Option C. AMP plus inorganic phosphate equal to ADP. Option D. GDP plus P equal to GTP. The correct answer is option A. ADP plus IP equal to ATP. Adenosine diphosphate plus inorganic phosphate equal to adenosine triphosphate. The next question number 133. Photophosphorylation is a process in which option A. Light energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP. Option B. NADP is formed. Option C. Chemical energy is used to produce ATP. Option D. Carbon dioxide is reduced to carbohydrate. The correct answer is option A. Light energy is converted into chemical energy in the form of ATP. The next question number 134. Light is necessary during photosynthesis for option A. Evolution of hydrogen, option B. Photolysis of water, option C. Heating, option D. Opening of stomata. The correct answer is option B. Photolysis of water. The next question number 135. During photochemical reaction of photosynthesis, option A. Liberation of oxygen takes place, option B. Formation of ATP and NADPH2 takes place, option C. Liberation of oxygen and formation of ATP and NADPH2 takes place, option D. Assimilation of carbon dioxide takes place. The correct answer is option C. liberation of oxygen and formation of ATP and NADPH2 takes place. The next question number 136. The life cycle of all excited chlorophyll molecule is option A less than 0.01 second, option B more than 0.01 second, option C 10 second, option D 1 second. The correct answer is option A less than zero point 0.1 second. The next question number 137. Fluorescent chlorophyll A occur in option A PS1, option B PS2, option C both and B, option D stroma. The correct answer is option B PS2. The next question number 138. The light energy passes in the form of option A photon, option B photon, option C photogens, option D all of the above. The correct answer is option B photons. The next question number 139. Photophosphorylation differ from oxidative phosphorylation in option A. It takes place in light. Option B. ATP is formed. Option C. Cytochrome participate. Option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option A. It takes place in light. The next question number 140. Which of the following method is responsible for ATP production by green plant cell in the presence of sunlight? Option A. By phosphorylation only, option B by oxidative phosphorylation only, option C by only substrate level phosphorylation, option D all of these. Correct answer is option A by phosphorylation only. The next question number 141. An isolated chloroplast upon illumination convert ferric into ferrous and produce oxygen. What happens if it is washed in running water prior to illumination? Option A. Only oxygen is produced. Option B. Only ferric is converted into ferrous. Option C. Both the above happen. Option D. Neither oxygen is produced nor ferric acid is reduced. The correct answer is option B. Only ferric is converted into ferrous. The next question number 142. Why the rate of photosynthesis decline at very strong light intensity? It may be due to option A. Increased respiration, option B. Decreased hydration, option C. Photooxidation of chlorophyll, option D. All of the above. The correct answer is option C. Photooxidation of chlorophyll. The next question number 143. Splitting of water in photosynthesis is called option A light reaction, option A dark reaction, option B electron transfer, option C photolysis, option D phototropism. The correct answer is option C photolysis. The next question number 144. Which of the following concern photophosphorylation? Option A AMP plus inorganic phosphate in presence of light reaction converted into ATP. Option B ADP plus AMP in presence of light reaction converted into ATP. Option C ADP plus inorganic phosphate in presence of light energy converted into ATP. Option D ADP plus inorganic phosphate converted into ATP. The correct answer is option C ADP plus inorganic phosphate in presence of light energy converted into ATP. The next question number 145. ATP formation in photosynthesis is known as option A phosphorylation, option B photophosphorylation, option C oxidative phosphorylation, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option B photophosphorylation. The next question number 146. Plant adapted to low light intensity have option A more extended root system, option B leaves modified to spine, option C larger photosynthetic unit size than the sun plant, option D higher rate of carbon dioxide fixation than the sun plant. The correct answer is option C larger photosynthetic unit size than the sun plant. The next question number 147. ATP is produced during option A cyclic photophosphorylation, option B non-cyclic photophosphorylation, option C both, option D none of the above. The correct answer is option C both. The next question number 148. The continued evolution of oxygen in the suspension of an isolated chloroplast in light in presence of ferric salt, violet dye, etc. are called option A oxygenation, option B Blackman's reaction, option C Hill's reaction, option D Emerson reaction. The correct answer is option C Hill's reaction. The next question number 149. Photooxidation of water result in the formation of option A hydrogen oxygen ATP, option B hydrogen oxygen electron ATP, option C, hydrogen, oxygen, electron, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, hydrogen, oxygen, and electron. The next question number 150. How much assimilatory power is produced per molecule of oxygen produced in light reaction? Option A, 2 ATP plus 1 NADPH2. Option B, 2 ATP plus 2 NADPH2. Option C, 1 ATP plus 1 NADPH2. Option D, 1 ATP plus 2 NADPH2. The correct answer is option B, 2 ATP plus 2 NADPH2. The next question number 151. During the Z scheme of photosynthesis, electrons of which of these reduce NADP plus? Option A, photosystem 1. Option B, water. Option C, carbon dioxide. Option D, photosystem 2. The correct answer is option A, photosystem 1. The next question number 152. The mobile carrier during non-cyclic electron transfer are option A, plastoquinone and P700, option B, plastoquinone and plastocyanin, option C, plastoquinone and plastocyanin, option D, P680 and P700. Correct answer is option C, plastoquinone and plastocyanin. The next question number 153. In light reaction, plastoquinone facilitate the transfer of electron from option A, PS2 to cytochrome B6 complex, B6F complex. Then option B, cytochrome B6F complex to PS1. Option C, PS1 to NADP plus. Option D, PS1 to ATP synthetase. The correct answer is option A, PS2 to cytochrome B6F complex. The next question number 154. The correct sequence of flow of electron in the cyclic photophosphorylation is option A, PS2, then it is transferred to cytochrome B, then it is transferred to cytochrome F, then it transferred to pyridoxine, then it is transferred to PS1. Option B, PS1, then it is transferred to primary electron acceptor FRS, pyridoxine reducing substance, then it is transferred to pyridoxine, then it transferred to cytochrome B6, then it transferred to cytochrome F, then it is transferred to plastocyanin, and then it transferred to P700. Option C, PS2, P680, then it is transferred to primary electron acceptor, then it is transferred to plastoquinone, then it is transferred to cytochrome B6, then it is transferred to cytochrome F, then it is transferred to plastocyanin, then it is transferred to PS1 700, then it is transferred to electron acceptor, then it is transferred to pyridoxine. Then option D, PS2, then it is transferred to pyridoxine, then it is transferred to FRS, then transferred to cytochrome B6, then it is transferred to cytochrome F. The correct answer is option B, which is correct. The next question number 155. The correct sequence of flow of electron in the non-cyclic photophosphorylation. The correct option is option C. PS2, P680, then it is transferred to primary electron acceptor, then it is transferred to plastoquinone, then it is transferred to cytochrome B6, then it is transferred to cytochrome F, then it is transferred to plastocyanin, then it is transferred to PS1 700, then it transferred to electron acceptor, then it transferred to pyridoxine. Here the primary electron acceptor are Q15, and in cyclic photophosphorylation, here the primary electron are FRS, pyridoxine reducing substance. The next question number 156. During chemiosmosis, synthesis of ATP proton diffuse through CF channel that activate ATPase enzyme. As a result, one molecule of ATP is formed when how many hydrogen passes through ATPase? Option A, 4 hydrogen. Option B, 1 hydrogen. Option C, 2 hydrogen. Option D, 6 hydrogen. The correct answer is option C, 2 hydrogen. According to NCERT, it is 2 hydrogen, but for higher study, it is 3 hydrogen. When 3 hydrogen passes through ATPase enzyme, one molecule of ATP is formed. The next question number 157. Process of photosynthesis that occur in the stromal lamella membranes like option A, photosystem 1, option B, electron transport system, option C, NADP reductase enzyme, option D, ATP synthetase. The correct answer is option C, NADP reductase enzyme. Process of photosynthesis that occur in the stromal lamella membrane like NADP reductase enzyme. The next question number 158. Stromal amila membrane lack. Option A, PS1 only. Option B, PS2 only. Option C, PS1 and electron carrier. Option D, PS2 and NADP reductase. The correct answer is option D, PS2 and NADP reductase. This is most important. The next question number 158. NADP reductase enzyme is present in option A, in the mitochondrial matrix. Option B, in the lumen of thylakoid. Option C, on the stroma thylakoid. Option D, on the inner side of the thylakoid membrane. The correct answer is option C, on the stroma of thylakoid. The next question number 159. NADP is option A, enzyme activator. Option B, electron acceptor. Option C, ion carrier. Option D, hydrogen acceptor. The correct answer is option D, hydrogen acceptor. The next question number 160. Coenzyme NAD and NADP contain the vitamin. Option A, niacin. Option B, biotin. Option C, thiamine. Option D, vitamin B12. The correct answer is option A, niacin. The next question number 161. NADP reduces to NADPH2 in option A, Hatch-Dirac, option B, Robert Hill process, option C, Krebs cycle, option D, Kelvin cycle. The correct answer is option B, in Robert Hill's reaction. The next question number 162. What is the full name of NADP? Option A, nicotinamide dinucleotide phosphate. Option B, nicotine adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Option C, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. Option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option C, nicotinamide adenine dinucleotide phosphate. The next question number 163. Number of hydrogen that must be transported through ATP synthetase or coupling factors CF0 and CF1 to form one ATP is option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. The correct answer is option C 3. In chloroplast, 3 hydrogen are required to transport through ATP synthetase to form one ATP, and in mitochondria it requires 4 hydrogen to pass through the ATP synthetase enzyme to generate one ATP molecule. The next question number 164. The number of light quanta required for the evolution of one molecule of oxygen is known as option A, oxygen yield, option B, photosynthetic yield, option C, quantum yield, option D, organic yield. The correct answer is option C, quantum yield. The next question number 165. How many quanta of light or photon are required to evolve one oxygen molecule in photosynthesis? Option A 3, option B 8, option C 4, option D 2. The correct answer is option B 8. The next question number 166. How many electron, proton and photons are involved in the lysis of water to evolve one molecule of oxygen? Option A 4 electron, 4 hydrogen, 4 photon. Option B 4 electron, 4 hydrogen, 8 photon. Option C 2 electron, 2 hydrogen, 8 photon. Option D 2 electron, 2 hydrogen, 4 photon. The correct answer is option B 4 electron, 4 hydrogen and 8 photon. The next question number 167. Cyclic phosphorylation cannot sustain photosynthesis because option A, PS1 does not function beyond 680 nm. Option B, no evolution of oxygen. Option C, unidirectional cyclic movement of electron. Option D, only ATP is formed and NADP is not formed. The correct answer is option D, only ATP is formed, NADPH is not formed. That's why cyclic phosphorylation is mainly found in bacteria. The next question number 168. With reference to photosynthesis, what is the CF0 and CF1 complex? Option A, ATP synthetase. Option B, pyridoxine NADP reductase. Option C, cytochrome B6F complex. Option D, RUBP carboxylase. Correct answer is option A, ATP synthetase. The next question number 169. NADPH2 is generated through option A, glycolysis. Option B, photosystem 1. Option C, photosystem 2. Option D, anaerobic respiration. The correct answer is option B, photosystem 1 in non-cyclic phosphorylation. The next question number 170. The common feature between non-cyclic and cyclic photophosphorylation is option A, proton gradient formation or formation of ATP. Option B, release of oxygen. Option C, formation of NADPH plus H plus. Option D, photolysis of water. The correct answer is option A, proton gradient formation or formation of ATP. The next question number 171. Cyclic photophosphorylation occurs under which condition? Option A, anaerobic. Option B, aerobic. Option C, both and B. Option D, none of these. The correct answer is option A, anaerobic. The next question number 172. In cyclic photophosphorylation, the electron released by reaction center P700 is ultimately accepted by option A, pyridoxine, option B, NADP+, option C, reaction center P700, option D, plastocyanin. The correct answer is option C, reaction center P700. In cyclic photophosphorylation, there is no splitting of water, thus there is no evolution of oxygen. That's why the condition is anaerobic. The next question number 173. Cyclic photophosphorylation takes place in the thylakoid which lack option A, electron transport system, option B, enzyme FNR, that is pyridoxine NADP reductase, option C, lumen, option D, photosystem with absorption peak 700 nm. The correct answer is option B, enzyme FNR, that is pyridoxine NADP reductase. The next question number 174. Cyclic photophosphorylation takes place in option A, abrasive part of grana thylakoid, option B, stroma lamella, option C, complete grana, option D, inner membrane of chloroplast. The correct answer is option B, stroma lamella. The next question number 175. Which of the following conditions are the most favorable for cyclic photophosphorylation? Option A, anaerobic condition and high carbon dioxide. Option B, aerobic and high carbon dioxide. Option C, aerobic and low light intensity. Option D, anaerobic and low light intensity. The correct answer is option D, anaerobic and low light intensity. The next question number 176. In non-cyclic photophosphorylation, there are photolysis of 12 water molecule. How many hydrogen ion are formed? Option A 24, option B 36, option C 12, option D 32. The correct answer is option C, 12 hydrogen ion. In non-cyclic photophosphorylation, evolution of oxygen takes place. It becomes possible due to photolysis of water molecule into hydrogen ion and OH minus ion. Later on, OH minus ion are reassociate to form water and oxygen, while hydrogen ion go to NADP plus and it reduced to form NADP to NADPH. Each water molecule on photolysis yield one hydrogen ion and one OH minus ion. Here the water split and it form OH minus ion and hydrogen ion. When two OH minus ion combine together, they form two water molecule and one complete oxygen. So 12 water molecule when split it form 12 OH minus ion and 12 hydrogen ion. Thus the correct answer is option C, 12 hydrogen ion. The next question number 177. NADP is option A, an enzyme, option B, an ion carrier, option C, a coenzyme, option D, a part of tRNA. The correct answer is option C, a coenzyme. The next question number 178. How many ATP are produced in cyclic photophosphorylation in one cycle? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 1 ATP, 2 NADPH, option D 6. Correct answer is option B 2. The next question number 179. How many ATP and NADPH2 are produced in non-cyclic photophosphorylation in one cycle? Option A 1 ATP, 1 NADPH2, option B 2 ATP and 2 NADPH2, option C 1 ATP and 2 NADPH2, option D 18 ATP and 12 NADPH2. The correct answer is option C 1 ATP and 2 NADPH2. The next question number 180. What is the quantum yield of photosynthesis? Option A 80%, option B 12%, option C 9%, option D 33%. The correct answer is option B 12%. Quantum requirement in photosynthesis is 8, that is 8 photon. That is 8 quanta of light are required to evolve one molecule of oxygen. Hence quantum yield equal to 1 by 8 equal to 0.125, that is a fraction of 1 as 12%. The correct answer is 12%. The next question number 181. First electron acceptor in non-cyclic photophosphorylation is option A, pheophytin, option B, blastocyanin, option C, pyridoxine, option D, cytochrome B. The correct answer is option A, pheophytin, which is most important MCQ. The next question number 182. Primary electron acceptor in cyclic photophosphorylation is option A, NADP, option B, blastoquinone, option C, blastocyanin, option D, FRS. It is a iron sulfur protein. The full form of FRS is pyridoxine reducing substance. The correct answer is option C, pyridoxine reducing substance FRS, which is the primary electron acceptor in cyclic photophosphorylation. It is also most important MCQ. The next question number 183. First electron acceptor of photosystem 2 is option A, pyridoxine, option B, quinone, option C, pheophytin, option D, plastoquinone. The correct answer is option C, pheophytin. Then next question number 184. During non-cyclic electron transport system in photosynthesis, the energy flow takes place from option A, PS1 to PS2, option B, PS2 to PS1, option C, PS2 to carbon dioxide, option D, none of the above. The correct answer is option B, PS2 to PS1. The next question number 185. Write the balanced chemical equation for the process of photosynthesis. Option A, 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 water molecule gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6 oxygen. Option B, 6 carbon dioxide plus 12 water gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6 water molecule plus 6 oxygen. Option C, C6H12O6 plus 6 oxygen gives rise to 6 carbon dioxide plus 6 water. Option D, all are correct. The correct answer is option B, 6 carbon dioxide plus 12 water molecule gives rise to C6H12O6 plus 6 water molecule plus 6 oxygen molecule, which is balanced.